Hi guys, welcome to my channel James Fun and Knowledge. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon to watch my all upcoming videos first. So without wasting too much time, let's begin. Hi guys, this video is going to be too helpful, too good for you guys because here we'll discuss that how to download the book. No matter the type of book, the all types of books which are available online you may download within few minutes. Just you need the title of the book with or without author. No matter if you know the author name then okay, otherwise also without the author name you may download the book within few minutes with the help of title of the book. So without wasting time, let's see what is the procedure. First of all, you need any browser. You may use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, whatever you have. I'll use Google Chrome because I am too familiar with it. You may use the same procedure in your mobiles, iPads, also in laptops. So this is the first window, that home page of the Google Chrome. So here type a website library Genesis. See, automatically it is coming. Library Genesis. Now enter it. This is the common platform to download all types of books, no matter its type. Now just go to the link of the Library Genesis. I also shared the same link in description box. You may check that, you may use that. So click on the link. So this window will be there in front of you with the search engine. So in this search engine you have to type the title of the book. That's it. If you know the author name then type author name also, otherwise title of the book is sufficient to find out the book. For example, I am going to be find out a book with the name of Limit State Design. Limit State Design. See, automatically it is coming, Limit State Design of Steel Structures. If you know the author name then type comma and write the author name, otherwise no need, just go to the search. So these are some books related to the name of the book mentioned in search engine. These are the title of books related to the same, different authors respective to the each title of the book. These are the different publishers and all other datas. There is no need of all other datas. Just check the title of the book with the author as per the requirement. As I need Limit State Design of Steel Structures written by S.K. Duggal. So just without wasting time, click on the book. So as I clicked, a new window will be there of Library Genesis with the same title, Limit State Design of Steel Structure written by Duggal. So these are the other information related to book. There is no need of this all. Just go to the directly mirrors. This mirrors plays very important role to download the book, to download soft copy of the book. So these are the different mirrors. The meaning of it is these are the all different platforms where book is available online in PDF form. It's my personal suggestion, go for only this gen.lib.rus.ec. This is the very good platform and more trustable. All types of books you may download only from this mirror, only from this platform. So without wasting time, just click on the mirror. A new window with that mirror is available now in front of you. Now this is the last step to download the book in PDF form. That the last step is just click on the get. See, get is available in front of you in capital letters GET. Just click here on the get. You will see in few minutes book will start downloading. I think net is going to be too slow, so wait for a minute. See, now it started downloading. Within 3 minutes the book as per the requirement will be there in offline mode in your mobiles, in your laptop. in PDF mode. So this is the very simple procedure to download all types of books which are available. Just you need the title of the book, that's it. Clear guys, this is the very simple procedure to download all types of books. I'm sure this video will be too good, too helpful for you guys. Kindly share this video with more and more people, with more and more your friends, with your batchmates, so that more people may get more benefit of this video. Clear guys? Now I think book is downloaded. Check in your computer drive in downloads. See, now book is available. Open that book in PDF mode. See, the complete book is available now in your laptops, in your mobile phones. Please enjoy this video and learn how to download the books and get more knowledge. Clear guys? So thank you so much for watching this video till end. In next video we'll again discuss a very important topic, a useful topic. So till that, thank you so much.